Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 18, 2016, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, not much going on the calendar today, but let's bring up the graphs and let's see what's going on. The biggest thing for us to discuss is the Euro USD. We're trading here at 112.84. We came down from our highs of 114. We discussed this last Friday. We're just trading at this bottom of the barrel right here, bottom of the move, and it should be kind of interesting to see how this actually unloads this week. Some news coming out later on this week, but as you can see, we found ourselves a little bit of a soft landing here at 1240-ish level. We're trading now at 1285. The question is are we going to continue in this middle range, or are we going to head down to 111? So you have to keep an eye on this and to see how this actually freights. I'm more inclined to think that we're going to head back to 114 or at least 113-ish level, and I think we'll be trading in this range for a little bit further. So, you know, nothing colossal, but, you know, you could definitely take some scalping trades throughout the week. Looking at some of the other currencies in the market, looking at the GBP Japanese yen, we're still at this low right here of 152-ish level. I'd like to see whether or not it's actually going to crash through it. It's going to continue going down to 147. Remember, this had a support level of 158, and we've breached it with a big bar, as you can see on the monthly calendar. On the monthly chart, excuse me. That's a big breach, and so that's confirmation that it's actually still very weak. The question is how much further can it go? Well, that remains to be seen, and that's part of the challenge when you're trading, you know, a trending market and it's heading new territory as to how far can it go. It can conceivably go as far as 139. The question is it going to find a soft landing maybe at 147 since we have this area right here and this area right here to give us a little bit of a backdrop for. Looking at oil just quickly this morning, big gap down to $39 a barrel. We're under $40 a barrel. That is a major play for oil as we hit this multi-resistance at 41-ish, 41.5-ish level. And so we're trading at 39.72. My guess is we're going to trade between this 37.40-ish level for quite a while. Let's see how that unfolds. Looking at the Dow Jones from last week, a big rally up last week, a very big rally up, and it just seems like it wants to continue going higher. Now, I'd like to see some confirmation because we did hit the 17,880 level and we sold right off of it. I mean, that was really a classic move for the Dow Jones, where, you know, it hits resistance, and this was major resistance since we hit it multiple times. First after we had the initial rally, and then, you know, once we had this right here, we tried it several times to break above it, 17,880, and we didn't. So this is a major level, 17,880. I'd like to see it break higher for us to have any confirmation that we're going to, you know, considerably maybe challenge the 18,300-ish level that we were so much, you know, gotten accustomed to with the new highs for the Dow Jones. Looking at gold here, we're trading at 1236, right in between this 1285-ish level and 1215-ish level. You know, nothing to really write home. I mean, we had this big rally and we've just been churning between 1285 and 1215. Not that that's not a decent range to be scalping and making money out of, but it's a little bit harder to pick this up one way or another. Just I'd like to have some sort of confirmation that it's going to continue going higher before I jump into it on the long side. I am more inclined to be long the gold than I am inclined to be short the gold, but I'd like to, you know, get in at a decent price at maybe 1180, but that's not happening, as you can see that. So previous resistance, subsequent support, as you see here at 1215, so that's a major level. So you know, if it does come back into this 1215 level, I'd look to pick it up. at this 1246, 1235-ish level, I wouldn't be looking to short it really. I think we have a lot more upside in the gold going into the new year. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading week. Thank you.